Hey, what's up everyone? I wanted to hop on here and do a quick video about the Kernel Seasons 8-pack of a variety pack of popcorn seasoning. If you're like me, you're probably a popcorn lover, but you also hate when your popcorn is, it's plain, it's unseasoned, it's boring. Okay, but all of these, after a while, butter and butter seasoning or salt gets boring after a while. So what I did was me and my wife, we actually picked up the pack of 8 seasons and kind of the flavor profile on each of them here. This has the mini pack. You can get the full size ones or you can get the little half sizes. We got the little half sizes, but basically these are great to keep in the cabinet because what I like too is because there's 8 of them. If you stack them up, they're the size of a full size Kernel Seasons. But still, flavor profiles on them. The white cheddar I did like. This is definitely clearly a white cheddar. But if you're used to like smart food, that is not. It's not quite that flavor, but it's close. Ranch. I had never done ranch flavored popcorn before, but I'll tell you what. After putting this one on here, this was a neat little surprise popcorn flavor. I think I might use the ranch more often. Nacho cheddar is a favorite. This is really good if you've ever had that. If you've ever had like that big thing of popcorn as a kid, it has like the 3 flavors in it. This is kind of resembles that particular flavor of the cheese popcorn. Butter is just butter. We all know what butter tastes like. Bacon cheddar, this was actually really good. This kind of had a smoky kind of barbecue flavor to it. I would recommend this flavor. It's definitely something different for popcorn, but it is good. I was a fan of that one. Kettle corn, I'm not a huge fan of kettle corn. My wife loves kettle corn, but it's a good kettle corn flavoring. It's that sweet kind of salty taste that everyone knows and loves. You know what to expect with this one. Watch out for cheesy jalapeno. This one is spicy. Okay, I was actually shocked at how spicy this one actually was, but it does get cheese. But again, that jalapeno is there. It gives you a really big kick. And then last up, the caramel corn. Again, I'm kind of like on the flavor, but it is basically tastes like caramel corn without having all the crunchy caramel actually on them. So overall, this is something great to keep in the cabinet, and I hope if you pick it up, I don't think you're going to be disappointed. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.